latest news is that there is a snowstorm calling to 6 inches. Schools are cancelled on Thursday, February 13, 2025. Possibly a delayed opening on Friday. All Plotagon and Go Animate schools will be closed tomorrow. Temperatures will drop to about 15 degrees Thursday night. Cold temperatures are expected on Friday. About 28 degrees as the high and about 10 degrees as the low. So, snowstorm in effect from 4 a.m. Thursday till 6 p.m. Thursday. All schools will be cancelled tomorrow. Last day of school for most Plotagon and Go Animate schools will be June 11th. Have a good night. Schools are cancelled tomorrow. That's the news for Wednesday, February 12th, 2025. Okay, citizens of Plotagon City, we have news. Schools are open tomorrow. Plotagon had 6 inches of snow and Go Animate had 5 inches of snow. There will be delayed openings tomorrow because of the road conditions. Stay safe, citizens.